You've been selected to join us this evening for a bit of a game.
Games? Oh, we get to play games!
Oh! Wow, guess what, guys?
What? Chicken balls?
We're doing something super fun today!
Are we baking a cake?
We're not baking cake. We're gonna play Mindshow. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna hop in, I'm gonna set the scene, I'm gonna pick a character, and you guys are gonna go and add to the scene.
Oh, okay. We're like
Yes.
making our own little show.
Yes, it's gonna be awesome. So, Mindshow. So, yeah, we're gonna go for scary. I'm gonna go first.
Okay.
And you guys gotta go so you can't see what I do.
Okay. Okay.
Because I have stage fright. Ow. Ow. This is a big room. I'm gonna select a prop. And now I'm going to gonna hop in. Hello and welcome. You've been selected to join us this evening for a bit of a game. As you can see, my master's not in his coffin. He is somewhere on the grounds. It is up to you to avoid him for the entire evening. If you do so, the case is yours. Don't end up like this. Okie doke, well, I've done my work and it looks like it's Liz's turn.
All right, let's see what Dalton did. Okay, wow, it's spooky. Look at all the heads on the wall of all these animals. I'm gonna get a character and a prop. All right, I'm gonna be this dude then. Sure. All right. Yeah, I'm kind of scared looking. Okay, record. Ready? Hi! Thank you. This is a nice house. Me? Oh, I win? Oh, I like games. Oh boy. Oh, I saw him. He's right there. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna leave then. Oh, all right. I'm gonna take that. Okay, that's my scene. Isabella, your turn.
Okay, I think I'm just gonna stay with the skeleton because it looks really cool. And I don't need props because I'm a beast. Aye! God! Another human? Why does he always invite the humans? Games! Oh, we get to play games! Yeah, he disappeared. That's okay. Well, don't throw things. This isn't your house. Oh, this is why we don't let humans in here. Oh. Woo! Okay. I think I'm done. I'm done.
I am thinking that this is gonna be one of the scariest things we've ever created here on Pocket Watch. So let's get into it. Hello.
Hi.
And welcome.
Thank you. This is a nice house.
You've been selected to join us this evening.
Me? Oh, I win?
For a bit of a game.
Oh, I like games.
Oh, we get to
As
play
you can see, my master's not in his coffin.
Yeah, he
is somewhere on the grounds.
Oh, I saw him. He's right
It
there.
is up to you to avoid him
Oh, okay. I'm
for
just
the
gonna
entire
leave then.
evening. If you do so, the case is yours. Don't end up like this. Whoa! Yes!
So much fun, you guys. We're so good at that. It was scary. It was emotional. I was moved. Ugh.
I did way better than anticipated, so I'm pretty happy.
You did way better than I did my first time.
Thank you!
I'm not gonna lie.
Let us know what your favorite parts of this were in the comments below. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time. Bye!